What's up, guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and listen, we got MD back in the building again with another bad creation, and I'm telling you, MD is clowning on this one. Now, this one is free for the taking in the Good Manager store. Listen, people, I don't know how long this is going to last. Download ASAP, but this watch face, in my opinion, is somewhat flawless so far as a casual watch face is concerned. Now, the name of it is called MD134, Simple Analog Digital Watch Face, and I'm telling you, MD stepped up so far outside of the box, it's not even funny. He did a really good job on this one. I'm giving him 5 thumbs up in the door for the design of this simple analog watch face. Now, in AOD mode, you're going to get a really nice look. For the Gears 2, it's going to have an elegant taste to it. And for the Gears 3, you're pretty much going to get the same look. You're just going to be dimmed down in the black and white theme, but it's also going to look nice. But when the watch face is on, let's have a look at this thing of beauty. Now, first of all, you get a red second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch. You get nice analog hands. You get your day and your date down at the bottom. Your battery percentage up at the top, along with the name of the developer and the PM stamp as well. Battery percentages up at the top as well. Now, what I like about this watch face, first of all, is the unique look of the digital time. Haven't seen nothing like this before. I thought he did an awesome job with the design of the digital time. And at the same time, you got this theme that's going on in the background that really brings out the watch face. MD, you did your thing on this watch face. Now, it is inactive, so if I tap here, I can pull up my calendar, set an event. If I tap up here, I can set my favorite shortcut if I so choose. If I tap on the 52, for those of you all who are concerned about your calories and your steps, it's there for you. And you can set an alarm on this watch face. I thought MD totally lit this one up. Now, if you double tap in the center, you can change the color theme of the watch face, which I thought was awesome. You're going to get 9 different colors. Just tap precise and cycle through all of them. Very nice. Look at that one. Very nice. So hit me in the comment section down below, people. You gotta tell me, what are your thoughts on this watch face by MD? All right, you all, that's gonna be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.